Welcome to challenges part. Now you will get several challenges for you, and I will add them directly into this file. In the first challenge, you need to declare new variable, declare a variable called myObject, and assign value to it, empty object. Next, print this variable to the console. And here note, variable myObject will not be reassigned in the future. Okay, that's your first challenge dedicated to variables. Good luck! Okay, that was an easy task and I hope that you have cracked it like a nut. Now let's do that together. If you are not going to reassign value of the variable, you should use const for variable declaration. And if you use const for variable declaration, you should simultaneously assign value to the variable. So simply use one line of code for variable declaration and assignment. Let's do that. Const myObject equal to empty object and semicolon. And here below, let's log to the console myObject. Semicolon, let's save, and here it is, we got brand new empty object. And now this object, that is reference type, is assigned to myObject variable. Notice that names of all variables that I use here in all examples start from lowercase letter, and next meaningful word starts from uppercase. This naming convention is called camel case. And in the camel case convention, name of the variable may consist of several words. And in this example, there are two words, my and object. And first letter of the first word always starts with lowercase letter, and letters of next words start with uppercase letter. If I will scroll up, you will see that I have used same camel case convention here. My boolean here, my string, and so on, my number. Okay, let's move on here and let's try to expand this object that we see here in the console. Let's click on this arrow, and here you see object with one name-value pair. Name is 2 underscores proto 2 underscores, and value is an object. And we have talked about that before. By default, when you create new value of reference type object, JavaScript engine will create for you empty object with one default property called proto. Okay, in order to test this challenge, let's try to reassign value for this variable. Let's do that here below. So myObject equal to, and let's try to assign same value to it. Again, empty curly braces. Let's save, and now I will get uncode type error assignment to constant variable. And that's that we wanted to achieve. We don't want to reassign value of this variable in the future. Let me copy this error and paste here. And let's comment out this line. Okay, this challenge was simple. Let me comment out it. And let's move on to the next one. But let's make a break now, and after the pause, expect task for next challenge. See you! Did you enjoy challenges section? If so, please hit the thumbs up button. Also, please subscribe to this channel if you have not yet done that. See you in the next sections and videos. Bye bye.